must have AI skills as a working professional about 10 plus year of experience. The very first one going to be having a prompt engineering skills doing with Python. And that too, you need to know how to build chatbots and how to deploy it. So with the help of AWS or Azure. And you need to know how to use AWS Bedrock, which is very, very important. And the second one is building RAG chatbots. And within RAG also, you need to know about what is chunking strategy. So how to reduce tokens. So how to manage this with the help of vector database, vector store, and how to select the right vector database. And apart from it, you need to know how to build proper agentic AI, or we need to say how to build agents which can automate various business process. And within agents also, different types of agents, single agent architecture, multi-agent architecture, how exactly we can build it. And apart from it, how to connect it. Is it through MCP or is it through API? And how to do CI/CD, or we can say like DevOps operations or ML ops or LLM ops, name any of these words. So now how to do it through Jenkins, how to do it through Dockers, so how to do it through Kubernetes. So all of these skills are very important. Apart from it, how to reduce hallucination, how to check AI governance, how to set AI guardrails. So how you observe the entire LLM model with the help of Langsmith or a Langfuse. These are the top skills you need to have it in your resume. And if you want to really build this end-to-end project portfolio in your resume or in your LinkedIn or in your GitHub, you can join my Agentic AI program or AI training for working professionals. So in this program, we will be making you to start from basics of Python, and you build this portfolio in your resume as a working professional with a guided hands-on. And not only that, once you complete it, we guide you on your mock interviews, we guide you on your interview preparation, we guide you on the right resume building. So in case if you want that one-on-one mentorship and a detailed or a complete live classes, the links are in the description. You can reach out to us.